Hi everyone, my name is Roland M. Kaobe, and I'm going to continue the report of Trexie. So figure 4.1 shows the differences in labor services, labor skills, physical capital, land, and technology between countries cause differences in PPF or production possibility frontier. So here is the graph of a figure 4.1 maximum value of an economy's output. A country's production's possibility frontier or PPF determines its relative supply functions because it shows what the country is capable of producing, which should be maximized. So, kaya makita ninyo ang graph is ginapakita niya kung saan dapat i-maximize na production. The slope of an ice value line or relative price of cloth to food is equals to price of cloth divided price of food or price function of food. So, kanang mga linya na makita ninyo is muna siya ang ginatawag na ice value lines. Hindi lang basta ginawa yung mga lines na yan dahil limitaw yung mga lines na yon because of the equation. The value of an economy's consumption equals the value of its productions. So, kung gaano daw kalaki yung consumption ng ekonomiya, ganun din dapat kalaki ang kanyang productions. So, dili pwede na mas mataas ang consumption kaysa sa kanyang production. Each of these lines is defined by an equation of the form of price quantity of cloth plus price of foods is equals to value, or by arranging quantity of food is equal to value divided by price of food minus the price of cloth relative to food multiplied by quantity of food, where V is the value of output. The word relative supply curve or RS is upward sloping. So meaning, so the economy is mag-produce ng maraming damit kaysa sa pagkain. The word relative demand curve or RD is downward sloping. So, syempre, sasamantalahin nila yung pagkakataon dahil kikita sila lang mas malaki. Terms of trade means the price of country's exports divided by a country's imports. Generally, a rise in the TOT increases a country's welfare, while a decline in the TOT reduces its welfare. Initially, if TOT falls, price of what a country produces goes down relative to price of what the country consumes. So meaning, kung mas mataas yung export mo kaysa sa import, that will increase a country's welfare. Kung mas mataas ang inyong pag-i-import ng inyong pagbibili kaysa sa pagbibinta, of course, that will reduce a welfare of economies.